Create healthy meal plan. A balanced diet plan is a dietary approach that provides all the necessary nutrients, vitamins, and minerals required for good health in appropriate amounts and proportions. A balanced diet plan is essential for maintaining good health, preventing chronic diseases, and maintaining a healthy weight. The following is a 2,000-word guide to creating a balanced diet plan. Step 1. Determine your daily calorie needs. The first step in creating a balanced diet plan is to determine your daily calorie needs. This will depend on factors such as your age, gender, weight, height, and activity level. A registered dietitian can help determine the right calorie intake for your specific needs. Step 2. Divide your daily calorie intake into macronutrients. Once you know your daily calorie needs, the next step is to divide your daily calorie intake into macronutrients. Macronutrients are the three main components of food: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates should make up 45 to 65% of your daily calorie intake. Good sources of carbohydrates include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Proteins should make up 10 to 35% of your daily calorie intake. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and legumes. Fats should make up 20 to 35% of your daily calorie intake. Good sources of healthy fats include nuts, seeds, avocado, and olive oil. Step 3. Choose foods from all food groups. A balanced diet plan should include a variety of foods from all food groups, including fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and dairy or dairy alternatives. Fruits and vegetables. Aim to eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables each day to ensure a balanced intake of nutrients. Whole grains. Opt for brown rice, whole grain bread, and whole grain pasta. Lean proteins. Try to include a source of lean protein in every meal. Healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are important for maintaining heart health and supporting brain function. Dairy or dairy alternatives. Dairy or dairy alternatives, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, are good sources of calcium and other important nutrients. Step 4. Control portion sizes and limit unhealthy foods. In a balanced diet plan, it is important to control portion sizes and eat only until you are satisfied, not until you are full. Drinking plenty of water and limiting sugary drinks can also help maintain a healthy weight and prevent chronic diseases. It is also important to limit the intake of foods high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and salt. These foods can contribute to chronic health problems, such as heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Step 5. Make healthy food choices when eating out. Eating out can be a challenge when trying to maintain a balanced diet. When eating out, try to make healthy food choices by selecting dishes that are grilled, baked, or steamed rather than fried. Choose dishes with plenty of vegetables and limit high-fat and high-sugar condiments. Step 6. Plan ahead and be prepared. Planning ahead and being prepared can help ensure that you make healthy food choices throughout the day. Pack healthy snacks, such as fruit, nuts, or yogurt, to take with you on the go. Prepare healthy meals and snacks in advance so that you are not tempted to reach for unhealthy options when you are short on time. In conclusion, a balanced diet plan is a crucial aspect of maintaining good health and overall well-being. By dividing your daily calorie intake into macron